First, use the battery terminals, then take out the battery, replace the battery with a new one, and fix it in same manner as it was removed. First, use the battery terminals, then take out the battery, replace the battery with a new one, and fix it in same manner as it was removed. Take a wrench and loose the bolts tightened on the tire in anti-clockwise direction. Change the tire and fix it back in same way it was removed by rotating wrench clockwise this time. Take a wrench and loose the bolts tightened on the tire in anti-clockwise.
First, take out the engine oil from the downward portion of the car by loosening the oil and place a container to collect the oil. Then work your way around the engine and pour in the fresh engine oil by using a projector tool. First, take out the engine oil from the remove the bolt cap and fix the bolt on engine top. The middle one. Make sure that spark plug also gets struck on your tool. Rotate your T-shaped tool anti-clockwise to bring the plug up. Remove the bolt cap and fix the bolt on engine.
We have we have made this contact module as a purpose to share the user's screen to a technician so that he can see and tell the user what is the problem and how to fix it by painting on the screen. So just like if users don't know where is the battery and how to take it out, so the by clicking on the contact page, it will get connected to the technician, and technician will just hover on his phone screen, just like paint on his phone screen, just like this. And the use and by the and or he can give us a special symbol like an arrow up that the battery needs to put it up, and there is a save button just so that the image of this scene can be saved on the device by and it can save multiple images just by clicking on the reset button, where it will just hover on paint on the screen and it will be uh, displayed on the user's phone. This chatbot module tries to predict the problems by analysis of symptoms entered by the user and tells the respective solution for each problem. It also works by entering data by your voice as well as in text, and also gives you solution in text as well as voice. So let's see the working. Suppose I enter that black smoke is coming out of my car, or white smoke. Smoke is coming out of my car or vehicle or car. So
White smoke likely means coolant is leaking into the engine combustion chambers. It can be due to leaking or blown head gasket that can allow coolant to enter the combustion chamber, resulting engine overheating. Immediately have the gasket replaced.
so my solution is displayed here, and it has told me the solution of also. And if suppose I enter for the black smoke, that is also the issue.
Black smoke indicates an engine air fuel mixture that is too rich, meaning there's too much fuel and not enough air. That may be due to faulty fuel pressure regulator or leaking fuel injector that can allow excess fuel to enter the engine, causing a rich condition and black smoke. Get it replaced soon.
So if the solution is not able to be fixed by you, it will suggest to refer car to a mechanic. So suppose I enter my key is not turning or rotating or some turning.
The key may not turn. Verify that your vehicle has power and that the interior lights come on when you open the door. If not, this could be a battery problem. Or maybe steering is locked and is applying pressure to ignition switch. or transmission gear selector is not in park or neutral.
So we are still trying to add more and more answers for the problems. We are still working on to use the online APIs like Fit.ai or Dialogflow, also known as API.ai, for the responsive to make our chatbot work more efficiently. We have till now we have added the solutions for engine is not starting and the problem after the battery replacement. Suppose I enter stopping of my car after battery replacement from the garage, or I will leave it.
Step 1. Start the car. If it feels like it's going to stall, give it some gas to maintain the idle speed. Continue to do this until your vehicle is fully warmed up. Watch your temperature gauge. Step 2. If it's idling smoothly on its own, turn on the air conditioning to see if it still idles smoothly. This will tell you if the engine computer is compensating for the additional load from the AC. Use your foot to maintain the idle speed if necessary. Step 3. If it's not idling smoothly after it warms up, take your vehicle for a 15 to 20 minute drive on the nearest open road. You may have to drive with 2 feet if you need to brake to slow down and use the gas to keep it idling, so don't do this in a congested area.
So like this, we have added all the solutions, and we are still working on the more solutions to be added into this module. So you just saw how the 3D models of components rendering on your phone camera view, making animations to guide you for certain tasks. Actually, the idea is to put some image targets on the bonnet of the car as stickers, and the camera will recognize those targets and then this animation will be displayed. It is similar to a marker augmented reality. So in the code we have provided and our app and some image target. If you want to check the working of those image target, navigate to the demo AR activity from the main activity and place that image which we have provided with the code as image target. You need not to get a hard copy of that, just show that on any device screen, just like this. We clicked on demo AR and then we see how the augmented reality works. So our idea is to put some similar image targets and train those image targets for the AR. And you can also see on the phone, on the camera device also, see this like it is not working without the image target, only when the image target is displayed. Yeah, so I use a pass for an event as my image target so that you can it can be proved that and the accuracy my model is providing me.